Hey guys, Spencer here. Today we're going to be doing something special. In collaboration with GLENCREAG, we're going to be unboxing the ATE60 vinyl record player. I've been waiting to unpack this and see what's inside. They sent it to me so that I can give my honest opinion of it. So let's open it up and see what we've got. Alright, first thing on top is our platter. It's got a little bit of weight to it. And we've got our power cord and our manual. And next is our speakers. Doesn't weigh a whole lot. Okay. This is everything that was in the box: the platter, record player, and your speakers, as well as the manual and power cord. It was packed really well, a lot better than I've seen other newer turntables get packed. So let's get it all set up and see how it sounds. What's nice about these speakers is you just plug them in. You don't have to deal with speaker wires, which can be kind of annoying sometimes. What's cool is on the back you've got an audio input, so you can connect like a CD player or something to it, and then you've also got an audio output if you wanted to connect this to a bigger stereo system. And then it's also got a detachable power cord, which can be nice if you're moving it around. I actually really like this reddish brown tint on this lid. Looks very elegant. And then once you put it all together, you're gonna have to put the belt onto the motor. So you have to take the platter off, then you grab the belt, then you put it right over that motor. So far we just checked the turntable and it actually does sound pretty good for what it is. Sound comes through very clearly. You can get lots of volume. Now let's check out the Bluetooth. Even the Bluetooth on here sounds really good. I actually do think it sounds really good. In a world dominated by streaming, there's still something timeless about the sound of vinyl, and the GLENCREAG ATE60 leans into that in the best possible way. This is a turntable that combines vintage design with practical modern features. It's got that classic wood finish look and a clean layout that looks just as good in a listening room as it does on a bookshelf. At the core of its sound is an AT-3600L moving magnet cartridge, paired with a precision aluminum platter and tone arm. It supports 33 and 45 RPM playback and works with 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch records, so it's compatible with pretty much anything you want to throw on. Connectivity is where this turntable really stands out. You get built-in stereo speakers for a true plug-and-play experience, Bluetooth functionality for wireless streaming from your phone or tablet, an auxiliary input and headphone jack so that you can hook it up to your own gear or just enjoy it privately. Setup is dead simple. It's fully manual, but with auto stop and pitch control for just a bit of extra finesse. You can be up and running in a couple minutes, no deep setup required. If you're just getting into vinyl or just want something stylish, affordable, and easy to use without giving up quality, the GLENCREAG ATE60 is a great place to start. And if you're looking for other stereo gear and this doesn't quite fit the bill for you, we do have vintage audio gear, lots of it, including turntables, of course. So make sure you check out our website at SpenCertified. The link will be down in the description. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments what you think about today's unboxing.